To my brother, Pede, who's also graduating in college, thank you for your constant support. Thank you for advice and suggestions, even the harsh one, because I know they came from a place of love. Your knowledge and guidance have helped me in so many ways, even more than I realize. To my lolo, Papa Boy, thank you so much. Whenever Papa and Kuya weren't around, you were always there for us, ready to pick us up and to bring us home. Even when you are feeling unwell, even if it was difficult for you because the road is already dark, you still choose to go just to make sure you're safe. Your simple acts of love never go unnoticed. My Lolo, thank you so much for being there for us. To my Inday, Charmaine, my twin sister, thank you for being my other half, for understanding me in ways others don't. We may fight a lot, we may hurt each other with words sometimes, but no matter what happens, we always find a way back to each other. And that's what makes our bond even stronger. Thank you for being someone I can lean on without having to explain everything. Having you in my life is one of the greatest comforts I will always be grateful for. To our parents and families, thank you will never be enough. Behind every success we celebrate today are your sacrifices. The sleepless nights, the quiet struggles, the prayers you whispered when we didn't even know. You believed in us even when we doubted ourselves. You lifted us up when we felt like falling. Everything we are today, it's because of you. This achievement is yours as much as it is ours. To our school principal, Dr. Kimberly S. Marie, thank you for your guidance and support throughout our senior high school journey. Your leadership has made a difference. To the teachers at Lourdes National High School, thank you for your patience, your guidance, and your belief in us. You saw something in us that we didn't always see in ourselves. You didn't just teach us lessons, you changed us. You prepared us not just for exams, but for life. To the teachers who became more than just mentors in my life, Ma'am Celine, my grade 11 advisor, and our second mother in ABM, thank you for your warmth, patience, and for making us feel that we always had someone to lean on. To Ma'am QB, my grade 9 math teacher, thank you for being one of my most constant support system even beyond the classroom. Sir Jolly, our grade 12 advisor, thank you for guiding us through this final chapter with strength and understanding. To Sir Gerson, our SSLG advisor, thank you for trusting and leading us as we learn to serve others. Sir Ivan, my very first advisor when I entered Lourdes National High School, thank you for shaping me and welcoming me at my first journey at Lourdes National High School. To Ma'am Bisano, my grade 10 advisor, thank you for being there in one of my most vulnerable moments, for holding me as I cried, and for reminding me that I am stronger than I think. You all became part of my growth, not just as a student, but as a person. To my SSRG family, I am deeply grateful that I became part of this family, even if it was my first and last time. I know being an SSRG officer was never easy. There were moments filled with stress, filled with pressure, stress, doubts, and times we had to question ourselves, wondering if we could truly meet the expectations placed upon us. But beyond all the responsibilities, what I will always treasure are the simple moments we shared. After long, exhausting events, we would gather in the office, lying down side by side, trying to rest even if there was barely enough space for all of us. Bisag naguot na kayo ta, we still found comfort in each other's presence. And in the middle of all the pressure, it was our laughter, our jokes, our shared craziness that made everything lighter. Those moments reminded me that I was never alone, that in this journey, I had a family. To my fellow graduates, we did it. We went through pressure, doubts, failures, and moments of uncertainty. There were times we felt lost, times we blamed ourselves, times we thought we weren't good enough, but we kept going. We chose to fight, to stand up, and to continue, even when it was hard. And now, look at us. We're still here, stronger, braver, wiser. To my ABM family, my kabarangay Abang, thank you for becoming my second home. Thank you for trusting me as your classmate. Thank you for every cute moment, every shared stress, every love that made everything lighter. Even the hardest days didn't feel so heavy because I had all of you. I will forever cherish the memories we created, the noise, the laughter, and the fun, even our cramming times. To the point na magkagubot na ato ang room, to the point na mahay kapisol na tanan because of pressure. I am proud to be part of this beautiful, imperfect, yet amazing family. My ABM peeps, thank you. To the girls at the back, Trey, Reza, Bianca, and Zoran, my mga anak, thank you for all the moments we shared at the back of our classroom. I will never forget those times when the teacher was discussing and you were having your own discussion too. I will miss your noise, your playful craziness, the times I had to scold and call you out, and even our last-minute group studies before every test. Surprisingly, they worked. The friendship we built was something I never expected, but I will always cherish it. To my walo, Che, Lady, Zoran, Maki, Kim, Eunice, and Su Chen, you are my safe place. A family I never expected, but will forever be grateful for. In the simplest moments, our canteen trips, every break time na magkakita, and our endless chika, we built something real and genuine. You became my strength in ways you don't even realize. Reminding me, helping me understand, and always making sure no one gets left behind. Even our failed plans, random arguments, and the times we tease each other to the point one of us will get teary-eyed, showed how much we truly care for each other. You made my hardest days lighter, and my happiest moments even more meaningful. Because of you, I laughed until I cried and made my stomach get hurt. Not out of pain, but out of pure joy. Thank you for being my people. I will carry all of you with me wherever life takes me. To my grade 9 best friends, Thank you for being part of the foundation of who I am today. We may have changed, grown, and taken different paths, but the memories we created will always have a special place in my heart. Joy and Eli, thank you for staying and for still being my constant from elementary days up until now. We've been through so many moments together. Our kabuang, our regulales, and endless sumuganay that we always knew it came from God. We're finally graduates. Wala na yung hapit sa room para mga ibsin ko. Wala na yung mga kanan ako kada pamalit. Napapagkakwarta kayo, pamalikughan. And I realized those little moments mean everything. In Jamaica, even though life changed our closeness, I am grateful that our friendship remains. Andrea and Kane Juros, I try you since grade 10. Thank you for being my home and people. For being my one call away, my listeners, and my safe space. You reminded me that it's okay to be vulnerable as long as it's with the right people. From unsa nga strand inyong kwaon in the senior high, to unsa nga first ka inyong kwaon in college. We've grown through every question, every step together, and I will always carry that with me. And lastly, to my beloved school, to our beloved school, Lourdes National High School. Thank you for being more than just a place to learn. With your walls, we grew not only as students, but as individuals with dreams, courage, and purpose.
12 minutes na po.
You became our second home, a place where we discovered who we are, where we felt and learned, and where we found people who would become part of our story forever. Lourdes, you have shaped us in ways we will always carry, no matter where life takes us. And for that, we will always be grateful and proud. This journey was never easy. With every tear, every struggle, every sacrifice led us here. And standing here today, I realized we made it. Not because it was easy, but because we didn't give up. As we move forward, may we never forget where we started, the people who stood beside us, and the lessons that shaped us. Sa batch na halos wala nag-experience o normal na graduation for grade 6, sa batch na mo ay kunay didali-dali, karon makaingon na jud ha, finally, we made it. This is our moment. My fellow graduates, this is not the end. This is just the beginning. Congratulations.
Thank you so much, Miss Opiniano. And of course, nothing all this accomplishment would have made possible without the strong support system that these students have received from their respective homes. With this, we request the parents and guardians to please arise to be recognized. Again, requesting all parents and guardians to please stand for you to be recognized. And also requesting all graduates to stand and face them. Graduates, what about giving your parents and guardians with a round of applause? This time, we also request the teachers to stand. Dear teachers, requested to stand. Our dear graduates, your teachers deserve a big round of applause too. For these people never fail to remind you to never quit dreaming. There you have it. Thank you, everyone. Request our parents and teachers to please be seated.